see cheese. What are you reading?
In Daddy's book.
Reading Daddy's book. Do you think it's gonna rain? What did you do with Granddad and Chi, buddy?
That's Lauren.
You saw Auntie Lauren? What'd you guys do? Did you go to a parade? And did you see, what'd you see? Tell me what you saw.
It's a fire truck.
Saw a fire truck. What'd he say?
Ew.
Wee. Did he have his lights on?
But dancers.
And you saw dancers?
It's dancing.
They were dancing. What else did you see? Did you see piggies? And baby chickens?
A baby ducks.
And baby ducks?
On the way.
Were they cute?
On the way.
They're running away.
The pigs.
And pigs?
Sleeping.
They were sleeping.
Some water. Some
They're
water.
drinking water. Were they thirsty?
The piggies. The piggies.
Yeah. How about sheep?
The bar.
Sheep say ba.
Those eating. Those eating.
The girl is sitting. Was Grandpa Richard there? Michael Mann, was Grandpa Richard there?
What was the chair? It goes with the dice book.
And then, did you go swimming? Did you swim with Chi?
To like Mama stole me. Like Mama stole me.
Does it look like that? What's in Mama's tummy?
A baby.
It's a baby. Is it a girl baby?
Boy baby.
No, it's a girl baby.
Boy baby.
You were a boy baby.
That's cool baby.
Now we'll have a girl baby.
This boy baby. This is
Michael gonna be a big brother?
my big brother.
Big brother, you're gonna be a great big brother.
Cool big brother.
You are.
Look at tree. Friends. Those scissors.
That's kind of
Susan. Susan.
She's on.
Oh, Susan.
Yeah, I see that.
There's white one.
White shoes.
Oh, there's pink.
Pink shoes.
Another shoe.
Another shoe. What color's the other one? It's a brown.
This what?
red shoe.
Oh, there's white ones.
White ones. Hey Micah, can you do ABCs?
No.
No, why not?